We went to our Manitowoc store to learn how to make donuts. They started off by measuring flour, donut mix, and water, and then mixing it in the mixer for 17 minutes. After it was done mixing, they checked the elasticity of it to make sure it was ready. Then they weighed out 5-pound portions to make Bismarck donuts, where they flattened them out and then put in this cool machine that divided them into the right sizes. And then after they were done with that, we flattened them out one more time. This particular batch will make about 600 donuts. After we're done flattening them, we put them in the proofer and they will sit there and rise for about 20 minutes.
After that, then the donuts go right into the fryer to fry to a nice golden brown. Then we got to decorate. So this batch we coated with some granulated sugar. Then we also tried our hand at filling. I'm still horrible at it after learning with the punchkis. Ellie, however, is a natural. So we got to do that, and then we also got to frost and sprinkle them. Enjoy the sweetest deals on donuts during Donut Fest.